Hi guys, and welcome back to Adventures in the Schoolhouse. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mayflower Munch to go with your adorable Mayflowers that you're going to sail in for your Thanksgiving table. So we're going to get started with 3 simple ingredients: microwave popcorn, Chex Mix, and M&Ms. We use the peanut M&Ms, but you can use regular M&Ms too. And we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, so we popped our popcorn. This will be the first ingredient that's going into our bowl. And now we have our Chex Mix. And last, our M&Ms. Here it is, our Mayflower Munch. That is a huge hit for the kids. I've been making this for years with my kids, and we just fill our Mayflower that goes in the middle of the kids' table. And please watch our tutorial on how to make mini Mayflowers of your own for the kids' table, and they get to write their names on the sails. They're absolutely adorable. They always love to have their Mayflower Munch ships filled at their table setting with their little name tags. And we can also use waffle cones, and these act like cornucopia of blessings with our mini Mayflower Munch cornucopias. Enjoy! Happy Thanksgiving! Ready? Okay. Come join all our adventures and learning in the Little Red Schoolhouse.